Looking for a marine amplifier kit that delivers powerful, clear sound on the water? The Pyle 4-channel amplifier kit offers up to 800 watts max power at 8 ohms on each channel, making it an ideal choice for boat owners who want rich, immersive audio without hassle. What sets this kit apart is its thoughtful design. It includes 2 pairs of 6.5-inch two-way marine speakers, finished in a pristine marine white to resist harsh conditions. Each speaker features a high-quality polypropylene cone and a 2-inch polymer tweeter, delivering deep lows, warm mids, and crisp highs that bring your favorite tunes to life. The kit doesn't stop at great sound. It comes with a waterproof poly bag and a 3.5mm jack stereo to RCA adapter, so you can easily connect your iPod or MP3 player while keeping your devices safe from water exposure. Plus, it supports both high and low-level inputs from marine head unit receivers, giving you flexible installation options. Adjusting volume is simple and precise thanks to the built-in gain control. This feature balances the amplifier's output with your other speakers, ensuring a smooth, distortion-free listening experience. The included waterproof remote volume control also powers off the amp when turned all the way down, adding convenience and protection. Safety and durability are key for marine gear, and Pyle delivers. This amplifier features power protection circuitry and a soft turn-on/off function that prevents damage to your speakers. Installation is straightforward with built-in mounting brackets and all necessary hardware included. One enthusiastic user shared their experience installing this kit in a 2014 Wildcat X. They praised the easy setup and powerful sound output, noting that even high-end Pioneer speakers connected to the amp sounded flawless. They found the gain control intuitive and the overall quality impressive enough to recommend it for all their other recreational vehicles. If you want a marine amplifier kit that combines power, clarity, and durability, this Pyle system is worth a look. It's designed to handle the marine environment while delivering sound quality that exceeds expectations. Whether you're upgrading your boat's audio or installing fresh gear, this kit offers what you need. Ready to elevate your marine audio experience? Try the Pyle 4-channel marine amplifier kit when you're ready for sound that truly stands out on the water.